What's up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite place to be, hopefully. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin dominance and how, if you're unaware of this phenomena on this channel, we need to kind of, we need to talk about it, okay? Because I know a lot of people here are new. They don't really understand what it is that we're talking about. So Bitcoin dominance is basically just how much Bitcoin is dominating the entire crypto space, meaning market cap. How much of the market cap, how much of the total money involved in crypto is allocated to Bitcoin comparatively to the other part of the market. So one other coin that you need to be aware about is, if you're not aware, is Ethereum dominance. These are the two we look. These are the one of two of three that we look at. There's Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, and everything else. Okay, and kind of here on the channel, we're kind of in that everything else category, right? You know, a lot of the coins that we're talking about don't even have a $500 million market cap. Do you guys realize that coins like Dash, Neo are under $500 million? Do you realize if they go to like 5 billion, that's like a 10x gain? Why would they go to a 5 billion, Chadwick? Well, they've gone. If you do the 5x formula, if you times a lot of these coins by 5 to 10x, we've been higher than that on a lot of these coins. Zcash has been much higher. Neo has been $180. Dash has been over $1,000, over $1,400. Okay, a lot of people might say, "Oh, a lot of that's price manipulation." Yeah, whatever. Okay, you guys keep thinking that this whole market's manipulated. Stocks, crypto, every financial market is manipulated. So that throw that argument out the window. Let's focus here on what we're trying to talk about to you on the channel. So, Bitcoin dominance, guys, recently has been dropping. For people that are looking at the chart here, maybe I'll throw it up here on the channel here. And I guess historically, what we can assume by Bitcoin dominance dropping while the price of Bitcoin per coin stays high is, at least what I'm betting on, is I'm thinking that this is going to propel the coins that we're talking about here on the channel much higher, okay? And I mean, like, it's going to cause explosive price action to these relatively small market cap coins. Now, there's over $2 million, or there's over 2 million last I checked. I think there might be closer to 3 million different cryptocurrencies out there. And I'll be the first one to tell you guys, most of them are scams. 95% of them or more are scams. But the coins that we're talking about here, they possess certain qualities, guys. They possess certain mathematics behind the tokenomics, which might be a limited supply, finite supply, right? A diminishing amount of coins coming into circulation based on mining and different timestamps that will occur that's out of my control, out of your control. That's written in the computer code of these coins. But what we also can assume is that historically, when Bitcoin dominance goes down, yet the price of Bitcoin stays the same, we get an explosive price action happen in the altcoin market. And what I'm betting on, and what I think that people here on the channel should be betting on, is the fact that if Bitcoin can just stay steady at the price, if it goes down a little bit, fine. If it goes up, better. But if the price just stays where it's at or goes up in an upward trajectory, let's say it runs bullish sideways for the next 5 months, and that Bitcoin dominance drops as all these altcoins are accelerating, boosting the crypto overall market cap. Let's say that Ethereum dominance increases. That's going to do two things. That's going to, for one, make new millionaires in a lot of these small market cap coins. And it's also going to boost all the ERC20 tokens. And the fact that all these ERC20 tokens communicate with one another through various chains is only going to make this idea bigger and better, because the crypto market, if you don't know, is kind of interconnected. There's a lot of trading pairs that are associated with Bitcoin, BTC, and as that dominance shrinks, as new coins come into it, or new capital flows into the crypto markets, it's going to pump a lot of the stuff that is tied to those trading pairs. Okay, that's how this crypto market works. It's A lot of people think it's just, it's just, it's just Bitcoin, or it's just a handful of coins. It's not, guys. It's all interconnected into something much larger and much bigger. That's why market caps and the trading volumes can be so diluted when people come to cash out. That's why I keep telling you that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what happens here with the crypto space. The crypto space is obviously in every way going up. Doesn't matter what we talk about here on the channel. It doesn't matter what we say or do. This is going to happen, and you guys are going to see it very soon.